daoibh agus fáilte arás go Gaeilge and Macree. Hello and welcome back to Irish in My Heart. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. This is my YouTube channel that I have created to help you to learn Irish. So the topic of this video today is telling the time in Irish. So the first thing you'll want to know is how do you say time in Irish? Time in Irish is simple, just two letters, A and M. So, am. And how do you ask what time is it in Irish? It's cén tam é. Cén tam é. And how do you respond? Well, you start that sentence off with, to say it is, and then whatever time, you would say tá sé. Or past tense, it would be bhí sé. Now I'm going to do this starting off with how to say it is like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whatever, o'clock. If you haven't already, I recommend that you go and watch my how to say numbers in Irish video. I will have that linked up here. So to say it is o'clock, you would start off saying tá sé, and then for example, 1 o'clock, you would say a hain, a clog. And then it's the same with the rest of the numbers, a dá clog, a trí clog, a cahar clog, and so on and so forth. Check out my video to get the rest of those numbers. If you want to say it is 15:15, you would say, I'll take 3 for example. So for 15:15, you would say tá sé, CEATHRÚ, tar éis, a trí. So it is 3:15. And then for 30:30, it would be LEATHUAIR, tar éis. LEATHUAIR is la means half, and then ur is hour. And then if you wanted to say it is however many minutes past, so 5 past, 10 past, whatever, you would say for 5 minutes, you would say tá sé cúig, tar éis a trí. Although I would be more inclined to say 5 minutes, even though in English we would just say 3:05. For minutes, there are actually 2 words. So you could say cúig NÓIMÉAD or cúig bUmaite. Now I like saying bUmaite just because I think it's one of the funniest words in Irish. Anyway, so you pick whatever one you like, they mean the same thing. 20 past is, the number for 20 is fiche, so tá sé fiche NÓIMÉAD tar éis a trí. 25 past, tá sé fiche is a cúig NÓIMÉAD tar éis a trí. So if you were going to say 2:45, so let's take 8, 7:45. Tá sé CEATHRÚ CHUN a hocht. If you were going to say 25:25, it would be tá sé fiche is a cúig CHUN a seacht. Tá sé fiche CHUN a seacht for 22. That is it. That is how you tell the time in Irish. Play through the video a few more times and just refresh your brain, and the more you hear it, the more it'll sink in. Now, if you head over to my Instagram and give it a follow, I'll have that linked in the description and on the screen. I do post very often during the week on my Irish Instagram little phrases, words in Irish, and I post it with a recording of the pronunciation. I post things on there that I don't post on my YouTube, so I'll be posting a few bonus words around the topic of time. You better follow, because otherwise you're missing out on some good Irish, good Gaeilge. So that is all for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed and that you have a better understanding of how to tell the time in Irish. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe and turn on my notifications if you would like to know when my next video is going to be. Thank you very much for watching. Go raibh maith agat agus slán leat.